In this lesson, I'll show you how to set up your page margins in Word. The default page margins are 1 inch all the way around, so I have a 1 inch top margin, 1 inch left margin, 1 inch right margin, and you can see that up here in the ruler where I have 1 inch of gray here, and from 6.5 to 7.5 another inch of grayed out area here. So to change those page margins, I go to Page Layout, and the very first option here are margins. And if you click that drop down, you'll see a number of preset options. Normal, what I just said, 1 inch all the way around. Narrow, ½ inch all the way around, moderate, etc. So there are some presets, but oftentimes you'll need to set up your own custom margins. So if you need to set custom margins, come down here to Custom Margins, and you'll get a little dialog box here, and here's where we can change it. Top margin, if I wanted a 2 inch top margin, I can either use these arrows to scroll up, or you can just type in a 2 for a 2 inch top margin. Let's change I'll leave the bottom one as it is. Change the left to 2.5 and the right to 2.5. And then I'll hit OK. And you can see now on the ruler, I have 2.5 inches of margin on both the left and the right. So I have a pretty narrow column right down the middle of the page here. And I also have a 2 inch top margin. So it's shifted my insertion point down 2 inches. So that is how you customize or set up your own page margins in Microsoft Word.